morning, dear children. Let us continue with the 13th number lesson from your grammar book, Degrees of Comparison of Adjectives. You have learnt about adjectives. That adjectives are the words that describes a noun. Now let us study further. What is degrees of comparison? Adjectives in the positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree show the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Examples: Hari is tall. Hamid is taller than Hari. Harjeet is the tallest of the three. Now here, the words tall, taller, tallest are adjectives. They are describing a noun. In the first sentence, Hari is noun, adjective is tall. Hamid is noun, the describing word for Hamid is taller. That is the adjective. Harjeet is noun and he is described as tallest. So the word tallest is adjective. Now in the first sentence, the word tall simply tells us that Hari has the quality of tallness. It is said to be an adjective in the positive degree. In the next sentence, Hamid is taller than Hari. So the adjective taller compares the tallness of Hari with that of Hamid. It tells us that Hamid has more tallness than Hari. It is said to be an adjective in the comparative degree. An adjective in the comparative degree is used to compare two things. So here the quality of tallness of Hari and Hamid is compared. Now in the next sentence, the adjective tallest compares the tallness of three boys. It tells us that Harjeet has the most tallness out of the three boys. It is said to be an adjective in the superlative degree. An adjective in the superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. So in the superlative degree, we can compare many things, more than two things. Let us see a few examples now. The columns are made here: positive, comparative, superlative. The positive words are given, and for the positive words, what will be the comparative and superlative words are mentioned here. Let us read. Small, smaller, smallest. Safe, safer, safest. Read along with me. Hot, hotter, hottest. Happy, happier, happiest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Let us study about the regular adjectives. We can form the adjectives by adding suffixes. Wild, you have to add er to make it comparative. It becomes wilder. In superlative, you can add est to make it wildest. So wild, wilder, wildest. Next is harsh, harsher. By adding er, it becomes harsher, and in superlative, harshest. est is added to the positive word. Adjectives can also be formed by adding only R or st. Now here already E is present. So you have to add only R to make it comparative. So wise will become wiser, and add only st to make it superlative. It will become wisest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, add R, braver, bravest, add st. So it will become brave, braver, bravest. Next is, if the adjective in the positive degree ends in y and there is a consonant before the y, change the y to I and then add er or est. So here the word easy is ending with y. Healthy is ending with y. And before the y there is a consonant. So you have to change the y into I. Let us read the words. Easy, easier, easiest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Next is, if the adjective in the positive degree is a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound, double the last letter and then add er or est. So here the word fat ends with t, that is one syllable. So you have to double the last letter. Fatter, fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Now let us see the next examples. Here in the positive column, the word difficult will change into more difficult. In superlative, most difficult. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Same way, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So here we are not adding any suffixes to change the word. We are adding an entire word to change the degree of the words. Now let us talk about irregular adjectives. You can read along with me. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Late, with reference to time. Later, latest. Late, latter, last. Old, older, elder. Oldest or eldest. Far, farther or further. Farthest or furthest. I hope children you have understood the degrees of comparison. Let us move on to the exercise. The first question, write the comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives given below. Few are solved for you. Slow, slower, slowest. Good, better, best. Next is wise. What is the answer for this? Wiser, wisest. Correct. So write the answers for the other words in your grammar book itself. Let's see the next question. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Write P for positive degree, C for comparative degree, and S for superlative degree. The first one, it's an expensive gift. Here expensive is the adjective, so it is underlined. Expensive is which word, which degree? Positive, so P is written. The same way we'll solve the next one. It was hotter last year in June. So the word hotter is an adjective, so it is underlined. And what is the degree for it? Comparative, so C is written. Followed. Next is the pen is mightier than the sword. So here mightier is the adjective, so we have to underline it. And the degree of comparison for it is again comparative. Next one, May is the hottest month of the year. So hottest is the adjective, so underline hottest, and S is written because it is a superlative degree. Followed, children? So solve the entire exercise in your textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.